Imagine waking up tomorrow with soft, plump, glowing skin. This DIY beauty secret might be exactly what your skin needs. Here's what you need. Tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Provides lightweight hydration and helps soothe the skin. Drop of almond oil, rich in nourishing fatty acid that helps soften and smooth rough skin. Tablespoon of coconut oil, help lock in moisture and leave skin feeling deeply nourished. Mix until smooth and creamy. You'll get a rich, silky blend that's perfect for dry, tired-looking skin. This DIY hydration mask helps deep moisturize dry skin, soothe the feeling of irritation, leave skin soft and smooth, support a healthy-looking glow, give your complexion a fresh, dewy appearance. Apply a thin layer onto clean skin. Massage gently using upward circular motions to help the skin absorb the nourished ingredients. Wipe away any excess. Imagine waking up with a skin that feels softer, smoother, and deeply hydrated. Always patch test first before applying DIY skincare ingredients, especially if you have sensitive or acne-prone skin.